This is a MapsIndoors tutorial on user roles in the CMS. The CMS has two roles, administrators and editors. I'm currently logged into the CMS as an editor, which gives me access to locations and route access. Within locations, editors can create, edit, or delete temporary or permanent points of interest, either from the map view or list view. Route access is used to configure the navigation and directions experience. Within route access, editors can manage path access to open, close, or set delays for certain paths. Editors can also edit parking lots and create new parking lots. When I log in as an administrator, I have full access to effect change in the CMS. Administrators have access to venue and building details, and can manage categories and location types. Within locations and route access, administrators have the same capabilities as editors. Administrators also have access to app configuration, where API keys, user roles, and visible categories are managed. Lastly, administrators can create new users and edit or delete existing users. For more information, visit us at MapsPeople.com.